name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle Channel. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing another thrift haul. I've been back to the thrift haul again. I've been having so much luck at the thrift stores lately. Today I'm actually doing a $5 thrift store challenge. So I've already gone to the store. I've already picked up an item. So if you want to see what I picked up and what I do with it, then just keep watching. Now, Hillary over at Old World Home is hosting this particular collab, and what she asked us to do is to just go to the thrift store, find something for $5 or less, and decorate your home with it. So here we go. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I've been talking a lot about restoration hardware recently, and specifically dupes of restoration hardware or restoration hardware inspired pieces. So I was on the hunt for a piece in my home, a vase or vessel as they call it at restoration hardware, and I ran across this piece. Now, it is not exactly the way that you would see it at restoration hardware, but it had great potential. The price on this was $7.99 and it was 50% off day. So bingo, I got it for less than the $5. So what I did was I brought it home, and as you can see, it's shiny, and I just did not like it. I did like the fact that it had those little rough spots on it. That was kind of nice, and I wanted to try to keep that if I could. But basically all I did was took it and put some spray paint on it. I ended up going with a like a matted gray color, and this was my inspiration here, these 19th century Spanish vessels. And I thought that this was a pretty good dupe for me to work on. So here's my finished product, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, I used like a matted a hammered gray, that's what it was, and I spray painted it, and I just brought it into my bathroom and put some olive leaves in it, and I really like the way that it turned out. This cost me $4 to purchase it, and I already had the spray paint and just threw the olive leaves in that I also had on hand, and that was it. I think I got a look that I really can enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you are inspired to go thrifting and see what treasures you can find. All right, so a special thanks to Hillary for hosting this collaboration. I'm going to link her channel in the description box below. Be sure to head on over to her channel after you leave here today and say hello to her. And also check out the playlist with all of the other participants that are going to be uploading videos as a part of this $5 thrift challenge. I hope that if you are not currently a subscriber to my channel, that you will consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave today. I would love to have you as a part of my sister cousin family. And if you are a returning family member, welcome back. I'm so happy that you stopped back by. I hope to see everyone back over here on my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you.